sweet rice flakes banana desert soup. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the desert recipes and one of the most unique of the soup recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the rice flakes recipes and one of the most delicious of the rice recipes and one of the most unique of the sweet recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the banana recipes. It's also a very nice soup to drink in hot weather to cool the body down. Today we are going to make sweet rice flakes banana desert soup. We've taken around 100 grams of rice flakes, 4 to 5 cardamom, 15 grams of raisins, 15 grams of cashew, and around 50 grams of banana cut into pieces. Heat the pan, pour in 15 grams of clarified butter or ghee. Let it get heated. Put in the raisins. Saute thoroughly. Keep on sauteing. Take off the pan and onto the plate. Put in cashew, salt, thoroughly. Until the cashews are nicely brown. Keep on sauteing. Now the cashews can be taken off the pan and onto the plate. Put in the cardamom which we've crushed. Put in the rice flakes. Salt the rice flakes and the cardamom together. Keep on sauteing. Thoroughly saute and mix until the rice flakes become brown. Keep on sauteing. Put in the banana pieces. Salt. Salt the banana pieces. Keep on sauteing. Salt the banana pieces thoroughly with the rice flakes. Keep on sauteing. Salt and crush. Thoroughly saute and mix. Pour in 300 ml of milk. Mix thoroughly. Let the milk boil. Put in around 50 to 100 grams of sugar as per taste. You can increase or decrease the amount. Mix thoroughly and keep on stirring and let it cook for 6 to 8 minutes. Thoroughly mix. Put in the nuts and raisins as topping, which we fried earlier. Now the sweet rice flakes, banana, milk, desert soup is ready and can be taken off the flame and served. The final sweet rice flakes, banana, desert soup, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the rice flakes recipes and one of the most unique of the desert recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the banana recipes and one of the most unique of the soup recipes and one of the most delicious of the sweet recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.